welcome back to another video. So I've got a really cute little gel polish set today that I thought would be perfect for Valentine's Day. I really like the look of the colours and the bottles, the packaging, everything. Look at this packaging, guys. How cute is that? Look, it's got like a little, there's a woman walking a pram. No, she's pushing a pram. Someone dancing, someone jogging. It's really cool, isn't it? I like this. Cute. And then it's got this in holographic. So this is the brand there, Neeko. So let's have a look inside, shall we? So we've got this again, look. Isn't it cute? So this is your little user manual. All different languages. Look at these. Now do you know why I got them? So this is them. How cute are they? And this label's like rose gold. It's beautiful. Aren't they cute? So they've got the numbers on the top. So these are numbered 097 up to 102. So yeah, they are 7ml glass bottles and they're like matte. They're so pretty. Oh, could you imagine your shelves full of bottles like that? Especially in my room, because my room is pale grey and pale pink like this. They'd be beautiful if my shelves were just these. Like, look at the number on the top. It's even got little flowers around that. I'm a sucker for good packaging, I am. All little extra touches like that. Just makes me feel like some love has gone into the product and they care about it, maybe. I don't know, I might be wrong, but gonna swatch them anyway. So you get like a couple of pinks, a couple of greys and a couple of creamy nudes. So I've got my swatch sticks out, and yeah, I'm just gonna give them a quick swatch. So I'm gonna start with 097, which looks like a pink. Oh look, let me bring you down a bit. You look like you're at a funny angle today. You're at a bit of a weird angle. But as long as you can see, that's the main thing. So yeah, let's get these swatched. So it's not a thick gel, it's not a thin gel, it's just average. Oh, they feel nice. They're definitely opaque anyway, they're not sheer or transparent. Oh, that's gone on beautiful, hasn't it? That's gone on bloody lovely. That's a nice colour. Really nice colour. Right, let's get these in the lamp. So I'm going to stick them in for 30 seconds. I was going to leave the lid off that to do the second coat, but they're not going to need a second coat, are they, by the looks of it? So 098. Oh, this is a really nice. Ooh, this is a really nice pale nude pink. I love these kind of colours, these nude pinks. I use these kind of nude pinks a lot. Oh, these are nice, guys. Again, it's another brand that I've never heard of. I like trying some of these brands that I've never heard of. You can find some right gems. Yes, I love that. Really nude, really creamy nude pink, isn't it? I like that one a lot. Right, next, let's do number 99. So these look like the creamy ones. So yeah, this is just a nice pale cream colour, isn't it? Yeah, this is going to be a perfect little kit for Valentine's Day, isn't it? Pinks and creams and nudes. Pinks and creams and greys. And fluff. No, the fluff doesn't come with it. Fluff just comes with Aggie swatch sticks. Yeah, nice cream. Very nice cream colour. I like it a lot. Right, number 100. So this is the other creamy one. See, this is a really nice pale kind of beige. I'm sorry if you can hear my hoover in the background. I've got my partner very well trained and he's currently hoovering whilst the tea's cooking, while I'm playing with nails. Hehe, well trained. Yeah, that's a really nice, really pale beige, isn't it? Again, that's one of my favourite nude colours, isn't it? I like it. Right, and then 101, going on to the greys now. So it looks like there might be a light grey and a dark grey. I love pale pinks and pale greys together. Hence my room is pale grey and pale pink. These are really nice. I'm putting these on in thin layers as well. I'm not slapping them on like I normally do. I normally put way too much on. I really do. It's a bad habit that I'm trying to get out of. That's a bit of a browny grey. It's grey, but it's got a... It's corky grey, isn't it? Yeah. Corky grey, we'll go with that. Right, and lastly, 102. Looks like a lighter grey. Yeah, it is. I really, really like this kit. I have never had a gel polish set that's just like this. 2 pinks, 2 nudes, and 2 greys. And I really like that combo. I do. I really like that combo. Pinks, greys and nudes. Nice pale grey. Why is that gotten bubbly? I've got something on that swatch stick, oil or cream or something. Should have base coated them really, but it's alright. Nice pale nude. Right, I'm going to give these a quick top coat, guys, and then we'll have a look at them. I'll do them half glossy, half matte. Right, guys, so that's them all swatched. I really, really like them. I really, really like them. So you've got like your 2 pinks, a really nice creamy and a light beige, and then we've got your dark and your light grey. I really, really like them. These are going to be brilliant for Valentine's Day. You know, if you're not into your bright pink cutesy kind of nails, yeah, I think these are really nice. I do. Really, really like them. I've done them half glossy, half matte. I've just used an old gloss and an old matte. Nothing special. I love colours like this done in matte though, especially these. But yeah, I really, really like them. That's just 1 coat as well. These bottles are adorable. These are right up my street. Really, really like them. Yeah, they went on really nice. 1 coat, cured nice. Perfect, cute little kit. And like I said, I love trying brands that I've never tried before. Because you can find some really, really good stuff. But anyway, guys, that is it for today. I'll leave the link below to these. I got these off Amazon UK. But yeah, that's it, guys. Just a quick swatch video today, I am afraid. But please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Hit your notification bell as well so you don't miss any of my videos. And hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.